In this presentation, I will explain what AI is, and I'll also explain the components of AI such as machine learning, computer vision, and model. In simple terms, AI is when computers and machines are designed to make decisions like humans in a simple way. Yes, so that's an example of computer vision. This is just a car to represent a real car. So if you see this thing, you can assume that maybe this is like an example of a real car. So the model is the globe, or the model is the toy car, and the real thing is the real car and the earth, the real earth.
What are the components of AI?
So the components of AI are the things that form the AI. So example is the computer vision and the model. They come together to form the AI. Please, do you get it?
Like it is a reptile. Then the teacher said that this is a reptile. How will you know that this is a reptile?
That's why I said that the teacher will give a lot of examples
and
give the features of a reptile.
But he said that the teacher will say that this is the wrong answer, while the answer is correct.
I didn't say that.
What is the meaning of AI and machine learning?
As I said earlier on, AI works by using computer systems that typically requires human intelligence. And machine learning is one of the key components of an AI.
What is intelligence?
So intelligence is the way like you are able to learn new things and adapt and take your own decision.
What is artificial intelligence?
Like artificial. So this is artificial, this is intelligence. So artificial simply means like man-made, and intelligent. Like you are able to think, like learn new things and adapt and take your own decisions. So if you combine it, it will be artificial intelligence is a man-made software that is able to think and learn and take its own decision on its own.
What is the meaning of vision?
Your grammar was too hard to understand. So can you please bring it in lowest terms so that I can understand?
Okay.
Hello class, my name is Manuel and I am 13 years old. Today I am going to present to you about a research on what I learned about AI. In this presentation, I will explain what AI is, and I'll also explain the components of AI such as machine learning, computer vision, and model. Before I start, I will explain what AI is. So, AI refers to the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as reasoning, learning, decision-making, and perceptions. In simple terms, AI is when computers and machines are designed to make decisions like humans in a simple way. Okay, so now the components of AI. Machine learning. So machine learning is just like training machines or computers to make predictions or decisions without actually being programmed. So machine learning is like when maybe you train a computer or a machine to make decisions. That's what refers to as AI, as machine learning. So examples of machine learning are, or the types of machine learning are supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. I don't know if you would like me to explain the types of machine learning. Okay.
Just go ahead and explain your stuff. You are supposed to understand. So go ahead.
So the supervised machine learning is like maybe you're in a class and your teacher is teaching you about reptiles and mammals, and he gives an example like a dog to you to tell her or him if it is a reptile or a mammal. And maybe it's a dog and one person raises his hand and say it's a reptile. the person is wrong because the teacher have not taught the children. So in this case, the teacher will give a lot of examples of reptile and mammals and tell you the features or qualities about reptiles so that when you see any reptile, you can identify it. So that's an example of machine learning. So it's just, if you refer it to how you train the computers and the machines, that's how it is. Now I'm going to explain another component of AI. That's another component of AI that makes up the AI. We have computer vision. Computer vision is a field of computer science where computers are taught to see and understand pictures and videos, almost like how human eyes do. So in this component too, the AI is trained or is programmed to identify pictures and videos. You just give it you give it the foundation about what maybe it has seen. Or okay, like it's just a field of computer science where computers are taught to see. So maybe when you train it to, maybe if it see a chair, it will be able to say that this is a chair, meaning that you've trained the computer or you've programmed the computer to let you know if this is a computer. So examples are self-driving cars. You see humans now. Yes, so that's an example of computer vision. Now I'm going to explain what a model is. A model is a simplified representation of systems, concepts or objects used to understand, analyze and predict complex behaviors. So a model is a simplified or is a simple thing of a complex thing. Like just maybe something is difficult and maybe you're making it simple. So okay, an example is maybe a toy car to represent a real car. The real car is the normal one, but if you make a toy car, it is a way that you can use to represent the real car. And also, let's say the globe. The globe is also like if
to demonstrate your car analogy.
Okay, so the car I was talking about, like a toy car, just like this one. This is just a car to represent a real car. So if you see this thing, you can assume that maybe this is like an example of a real car. And the globe too. Maybe a person has designed a globe to represent the earth. So the globe is just a fake thing that is used to represent the earth. So the model is the globe, or the model is the toy car, and the real thing is the real car and the earth, the real earth. Thank you. Please, if you have any question, you can ask.
Yeah, Paris. Ask your question.
What are the components of AI?
So the components of AI are the things that come together. Like if you bring this chair, and this table, they come together to form one thing. So the components of AI are the things that form the AI. So example is the computer vision and the model. They all are examples of AI. So they come together to form the AI. Please, do you get it?
Do you understand? Are you sure?
All right.
Any other question?
Sarah, come in front.
So, come.
What is the meaning of model?
I just explained it right now.
So,
You
repeat it.
still don't get it. Okay, so for example, a toy car is used to represent a real car. If you see a toy car, what comes into your mind? Just like a car. But that one is fake. It's not real car that can drive on the road. So the toy car is used to represent the real car.
So in
Do you get
a
it?
toy car is like a model. You understand? It's used to represent a what? An actual car. Do you understand? So I do understand.
Do you understand?
So
Are you
that's
sure?
like a model.
All right.
For example, the bin, the dustbin you need.
Yes.
The smart bin. And the smart bin is a what? It's a model of what? An actual what?
Bin.
It's a model of a real bin that we use. Doesn't make sense.
Yes. So thanks for asking.
Are you going to say why? Are you
Oh,
sure?
sure. Big Bob. Come on.
Last question.
Yeah, he said that the supervised way machine learning websites, like he said that the teacher have not teach the children about reptiles and mammals. So if like the students say this is the reptile, like it is a reptile, then the teacher said that this is a reptile. How will you know that this is a reptile?
That's why I said that the teacher will give a lot of examples
No,
and
but he
give
said-
the features of a reptile. Maybe if you see the skin of a reptile, maybe this shows that this is a reptile. If you see the hairs and the furs on the mammal, this a mammal.
But he
Or
said
this an
that
example
the teacher will say that this is the wrong answer, while the answer is correct.
I didn't say that.
Yes, you said like the teacher will say that this is not the correct answer. While is the correct answer? While
Okay,
that
I
not.
was trying to say that if the teacher asks the students that if this is a reptile and the teacher said that no, the teacher will let them understand it in the way that the teacher will give them a lot of examples to show them. Yes. So that next time they'll be able to know if there's a reptile or a mammal.
Okay.
Thanks for asking.
Any other question?
So give it up for Manuel. Give it up for Manuel.
Hello, I'm Inshrahan Simpela. I'm 10 years old and I'm here to present to you on AI. I'll start by explaining AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, works by using computer systems that typically requires human intelligence. At its core, AI involves creating algorithms and models that analyzes data, identify problems, and make decisions based on that analysis. Key components include machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning. How AI impacts on our daily lives. AI significantly transforms our lives in so many ways by enhancing convenience, improving healthcare, efficiency, and so on. Dangers of AI on our lives. 1. Bias and discrimination. 2. Job displacement and economic disruption. 3. Lack of transparency and explainability.
After that, you explain everything that you said. Go.
Computer vision. Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence that enables machines to interpret and understand visual information from the world, similar to human vision. Like 1. Image capturing. 2. Data processing. And 3. Interpretation. Models. Models is a representation of a real-world context. Types of models. Mathematical models, physical models, conceptual models, simulation models. In engineering, engineers use models to design and test products before physical production, ensuring functional and safety. Advantages of model: cost-effective, safe, faster, flexibility, ethical, simplification, and testing. Thank you and God bless you. Please, is there any question?
Nanokon.
What is the meaning of AI and machine learning?
As I said earlier on, AI works by using computer systems that typically requires human intelligence. And machine learning is one of the key components of an AI.
Thank you.
Do you understand?
Any question?
Say what she said. You are tasked to explain
Nana Kwame.
for him to understand.
Nana Kwame, help us.
Nana Kwame is just, how old are you?
How old are you?
6 years. So we explain to you.
I'm not 6.
7. Explain to him.
Help us.
Clearly, he doesn't understand what you said, so go ahead and explain it again.
AI is like a human intelligence that someone have created. It's just like a human. Do you understand that?
Do you understand? Are you sure?
How do you understand?
She said that AI is like the human intelligence.
Okay, do you know what that means? So he doesn't know what that means. Go again. Try to convince him. Let him understand.
Okay.
It's like how when your teacher asks you a question and you answer. That's how an AI is. AI, you ask an AI question, AI will answer just like your brain.
So, do you understand?
Or your intelligence.
Do you understand? Are you sure? Alright. So, another question.
Another question. Go.
Yeah.
Another question. Manuel, come.
Okay, final one. Okay. No, give it.
First.
Come to you.
How many types of AI do we have?
But do you understand what AI is doing?
No.
So, you don't understand what AI is and you're asking the time. So, ask her.
What is AI application?
AI application is like a software for AI.
Do you understand? So, the types of AI. Help us.
The types of AI. You have the chatbots, the virtual. We have the chatbots, self-driving cars, and so many.
Do you get it? Are you sure?
Do you know self-driving cars?
Another question.
Another question.
You want to kill it? Another question.
Give me 2 examples of AI application.
AI was
Applications. 2
application.
examples.
How to apply AI.
2 examples of AI applications.
He's asking how you can apply 2 examples.
Are you referring to
AI?
AI applications up to the
I'm
apps?
asking how to apply.
How to apply? All right. Sure.
How to apply it.
What he's trying to simplify it, he's trying to ask that how can you apply AI in our daily lives?
I said answer.
What did you
He
say?
said answer.
The answer. He needs the answer.
Yeah, he needs answer.
So, for example, healthcare. You even mentioned
Yeah, healthcare.
self-driving cars.
The chat.
We can use in healthcare, for instance. We can use in the form of robotics, right, to do surgery and stuff like that.
Also in education.
Come
You
on,
see, education.
even
Education.
in education. Do you
Education.
understand? Education. Can you think of how it can be used in education?
By asking questions from us.
Okay. All right.
All right. So any other question?
Any other question?
Mano.
Okay, you can reserve the question for the rest because the time is up. You wanted to ask something? Okay. So what I wanted to ask?
So what?
What is the meaning of AR?
AI.
What's the meaning of
AI.
AI? What's the meaning of AI? Can you help us?
AI means artificial intelligence.
So the A stands for artificial and the I stands for intelligence.
Intelligence.
So can you see it for us?
Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence.
All right. All right.
Ask me. I just show it.
Okay, Masewa, do you know what it means? Okay, you can ask the others if you want.
All right. Do you have any question?
So clap for Ishira.
So my name is Iqbal Osei Ahmed. So I'm 13 years old. I attend the Parting Project. I'm come to talk about AI. So think about how, like, the word AI. So the simple way definition for AI is like, so artificial intelligence is a man-made device that is able to, man-made software that is able to think and adapt and learn new things and make its own decision on its own. So I'll talk about computer vision. So computer vision simply means how the computer, it's a branch of computer science whereby it goes through a lot of things to like see or identify if this is a human or an animal. So you have to give it a lot of data about this, like this is a human, animal, car, motors, and other things. So I'll talk about some examples of AI, like self-driving cars, and it can be used at homes, like security doors, fingerprint doors, and other stuff. So what is a model? A model simply means representative of a real world context. An example of a physical model, like a toy car. A toy car represents a real car, or how should I say it? Like a map representing the raw scale of a map. So many people think AI could take their work, whilst no, it will not take their work. This means that AI will change some things, but it will not take your work. Like you grow up, then you think that now AI will take your work, you not get any job to do. So this will not like take your work, but it will bring more things into existence. So I'm done.
Questions?
You don't understand? How do I just say it again? So intelligence is how like they are able to think. You know.
For the questions, you guys should wait.
Sit down. Okay.
Okay, so questions.
Who's got a question?
What is intelligence?
So intelligence is the way like you are able to learn new things and adapt and take your own decision.
Okay, who
So
else?
Okay, so Paris.
Okay, question. Brian.
Raina, come.
Victor.
So
I'm not trying to sit down.
come on. That's it.
What is artificial intelligence?
So in your like, I'll bring it down for you like your basic level. So like artificial. So this is artificial. This is intelligence. So artificial simply means like man-made. Maybe you know artificial like man-made, and intelligent like you are able to think, like learn new things and adapt and take your own decisions. So if you combine it, it will be artificial intelligence is a man-made software that is able to think and learn and take its own decision on its own.
You understand? You understand? You Brian. Who else? Lisa, you have a question. None of you have a question.
Mano.
All right, so give it up for the bar. All right.
Thank you for my friends.
I'm Marita. I'm 13 years old. I am here to present on my research on AI. AI is a branch of computer science that mimics human intelligence to think, reason, make decisions. How AI works: learning from data, algorithms, key applications, healthcare, transportation, finance. Advantages of AI: increasing productivity, innovation, enhanced decision, improving users' experience, medical advance, 24/7 availability. Disadvantages of AI: job displacement, privacy and security risks. Computer vision is a field of AI that's trained to understand information from images and videos. Computer model: it is a representation of real-world system. Examples of computer model: engineering, medicine, finances. Machine learning is created by training an algorithm on dataset to recognize patterns and make predictions on its own. Done.
Okay, questions? All right.
What is computer vision?
Computer.
Vision.
Computer vision.
Computer vision is the representation of real-world concepts.
Do you understand it?
Yeah.
Now, what is a model? And what is a model? If computer vision is a representation of real world context, then what is a model?
Say it is the representation of real-world context.
Model is a representation of real world.
Yes, but
And computer vision?
it's like it's trained to work like a woman. Beautiful.
Computer vision.
Okay. Who else has got a question?
Kwame, do you have a question?
Who else? Who's got a question? Don't you all have a question?
Say what? Mano.
Who has a question?
Beautiful.
Okay. Brian.
Brian, big one.
What is the examples of computer vision?
Healthcare, manufacturing, and many more.
What is the example of computer vision is healthcare manufacturing?
Say,
Or is that what you Okay, go ahead.
You are done.
Radha.
Did you get what she said? You have a question?
Okay.
Another one.
What is the meaning of vision?
What is the meaning of vision?
Vision.
Another wants to know the meaning of vision, so
like visual information from images or video. Visual information from images or videos.
and do you understand that? No, you don't. Do you? What does it mean? No, now what is vision? Someone asks you, what vision is, what would you say?
Vision is
So vision in, let's say, in your level, right, is to see. Doesn't make sense. Vision, okay. It means that to see something doesn't make sense. To be, okay, doesn't make sense. So computer vision, what would computer vision mean? For what I just said, vision means to see. So what would computer vision mean?
to see.
Computer vision is computers making computers see. Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. For example, a car that can drive on its own, it has to have cameras. Doesn't make sense. So that when it's driving by itself, it won't cause accidents. Doesn't make sense. So through the camera, it's able to see that this is a human being, so I should what? I should stop. Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense.
Yes.
Sure, doesn't make sense.
Yes.
Elisa, doesn't make sense.
Yes.
You have another question
Okay. So that's it. That's it. Reserve your question for the next.
for the next person.
Yeah. So give it up for Elisa.
Hi, my name is Eliza and I'm 11 years old and I'm here to present my research on AI. AI is a branch of computer science focused on creating machines that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and decisions making. AI systems learn from vast amounts of data to adapt and improve over time. Artificial intelligence is the capability of computational systems to perform tasks typically associated with human intelligence. But the easy way to define AI is technology that enables computers. How AI works? AI works by learning from data, algorithms, adaptation, and improvement. Key applications are everyday interactions, healthcare, transportation. Benefits of AI are automation. AI can automate routine and tedious tasks, freeing up human time for more creative work. Enhanced capabilities. AI system can handle tasks with exceptional accuracy and speed, improving efficiency across various industries. Problem solving. AI offers new ways to solve complex problems and handle tasks that are too dangerous for humans. The father of AI is John McCarthy, or the creator of AI is John McCarthy.
Did you hear that?
Computer vision.
John McCarthy.
Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence that trains computers to interpret and understand visual information from images and videos. How it works. Data input. Computer vision systems take in visual data from camera scenes and devices. Processing. AI algorithms, especially deep learning models, are used to process these images and videos. Understanding. The system then gains a high-level understanding of the visual content, similar to how a human brain interprets what it sees. Computer vision is used in many diverse areas. Autonomous system, healthcare, manufacturing, security, retail. Model. A model is a program that creates a simplified representation of area world system to simulate and study its behavior. What computer models do? Computer models simulate reality, predict future outcomes, explore complex systems, text changes. Types of data classifications: public data, restrict data, achieved data, internal data, health information, confidential data, content-based classification, user-based classification, private data. The three main types of data classification are context-based, user-based. How AI learn from data? AI learn from data through a process called machine learning. A machine learning (ML) model is a program created by training an algorithm on a dataset to recognize patterns and make predictions or decisions on new unseen data. How machine learning models work? They learn by data training, pattern recognition, model creation, generalization. Types of machine learning model based on learning method. Supervised learning. This works with labeled datasets. Unsupervised learning works with unlabeled datasets. Reinforcement learning. The model learns by taking actions in the environment. Advantages of model: cost-effective, safe, faster, flexibility, ethical, simplification, testing. Disadvantages of model are oversimplification, initial cost, lack of physical interaction, and time. Advantages of computer vision are automation and efficiency, enhanced accuracy, cost reduction, real-time analysis, improved safety. And the disadvantages of it is need for monitoring, interpretability. Advantages of AI are automation and efficiency. Disadvantages of AI are bias and errors. Bias and errors. Dependency and reliability. Thank you. Any questions?
The questions time.
Okay, so now questions.
So Paris.
Who's got Sewa?
Paris, come to us.
Okay, Manuel, do you have a question?
Yes.
Okay, come in.
Wait,
So please, based on your explanation, your grammar was too hard to understand. So can you please bring it in lowest terms so that I can understand?
Okay. As I said, AI is a branch of computer science focused on creating machines that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, and perception and decision making. And I said the easiest way to define AI is technology that enables computers. And how AI works? AI works by learning from data.
do you get what she said?
Yes.
Are you okay with that?
Yes. Can you give me the easier way to understand again?
So how do you understand
The explanation, the easier way.
AI is artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence...
No, like what you explained.
Yes, that's what I'm explaining. Artificial is something that is made by man. And intelligent is someone who knows something. So if you combine it, it's a man-made, it's an application that's made by man.
Please, but that's not what you said. I'm talking about, like, you said the easier way to understand.
AI is technology that enables computers.
Oh,
This means
okay.
artificial is the capability of computational systems.
Do you understand that?
Yes, somehow.
So are you okay with it?
Yes.
Alright. Okay, so Nana Kwame.
Who's got a question?
Nana Kwame and
Kwame
Paris.
has a question.
Yeah.
What's the meaning of module?
Okay. Module means module is a computer model is a program that creates a simplified representation of area world system to simulate and study its behavior.
Do you understand? Do you understand? Are you sure?
Can you explain it?
From what she said, what is a model?
A computer module,
An AI model.
an AI module
No, like just you understand it.
is
Eliza,
You don't understand.
can you talk about it again? So,
So, Elisa.
it's like a road.
Oh, okay. So, Elisa, based on your own understanding, can you explain in the simplest term for Nana Kwame to understand?
Okay, model is a program that study. Okay, so model is a program that creates a simplified
Model is
representation.
You understand?
Model is a product.
Okay, don't worry,
I think-
okay. So,
Okay, so Paris-
who's got last question?
yeah, perfect.
Elisa, do you have a question? You don't have a question.
Who bring out AI?
It was John McCarthy.
John, say it.
Did you hear her? Oh, she
Can
said
you repeat it?
John McCarthy.
John McCarthy. Okay, so give it up for Elisa.